Hi, I'm Dylan from Trilogy Visual Media, and I'm here to talk to you about social media marketing. This is an inexpensive and powerful tool, and I'd like to teach you how to use it effectively. If you're feeling overwhelmed and not sure where to begin, we will provide you with a few tips to help you stay organized and take advantage of this medium. Here at Trilogy Visual Media, we oversee about 9 different social media platforms. So this includes YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, you name it. This can be a little overwhelming at times, but planning our posts ahead of time and staying organized has proven to be very helpful. Content calendars are a great way to stay on track. This helps you visually plan out what you're going to post and when you're going to post it, and the best part is it's free. Later is an application that's available on your phone as well as online, and it allows you to schedule your posts ahead of time. This is strictly for Instagram. We like to use an application called Hootsuite. It's the same thing as Later, where you can schedule your posts ahead of time, but it's available for all of our platforms. So we had different feeds going for YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all of them. For example, I know that every other Tuesday, I'm going to be posting a Trilogy Tips video. So Hootsuite allows me to schedule this video among all of our different platforms as far in advance as I have videos for. It's very convenient. Below this video, we provided links to Later, Hootsuite, as well as a Google Doc link to a content calendar that I have created that I hope serves you well. Please subscribe to our channel and leave some comments or questions below if you have any. And thanks, we'll see you next time.